2,000 liters 4-vessel beer equipment, combination of mash tun, lauter tun, kettle tun, and whirlpool tun. Rational configuration, high brewing efficiency and maximum production capacity. Stainless steel non-slip guardrail platform, convenient for viewing up and down. Glass manhole on top, customized logo, to create exclusive tank. The paddle-type stirring design at the bottom of the mash tun greatly improves the stirring efficiency. The tiller at the bottom of the lauter tun is lifted up and down, the groove is turned evenly, and the groove is stable. Improve filtration speed and production efficiency. Wort balance tank to prevent negative pressure and easy to observe wort. Rotating spray ball at the top, spray evenly the washing water. The bottom of the tank is equipped with a backwashing device to enhance the cleaning effect. There is a foam detector in the kettle tun, which automatically adjusts to keep the temperature uniform. Swirling tank necking tangent design, clear wort can be obtained. Stainless steel PLC slope cabinet, easy to operate and stable in performance. Corrugated plate heat exchanger, which is convenient for disassembly and cleaning. Fermentation tank adopts Miller plate cooling jacket. Cooling effect is good, high efficiency. All piping designs, hygienic standards, clear piping connections. The overall design is cost-effective, and the operation is safe and reliable. Please contact us if necessary. Tiantai customizes the unique beer equipment for you.